Ayos, luto na naman. We gonna cook today ginataang shrimp or prawns. So ready na yung mga ingredients natin. I'm gonna use this coconut milk in can with some a lot of chilies. Yeah, para maanghang naman tayo, and that's it. We start. Alright, we're done cooking our ginataang shrimp. Kain na tayo. Creamy, spicy.